Oh, hello. I'm Samantha Dukes from Envy Studios.
Hold on.
Welcome to the wonderful world of less bad sound. Here are our top 5 tips to help you achieve less bad sound in a very short time. Number 1, have a dedicated soundie. This is our very biggest tip. Your soundie will wear headphones in every take and listen to the sound that you're recording. If it's not good enough, they'll let you know. They'll also keep an ear out for other sound hazards such as distortion and passing traffic.
Number 2, choose quiet locations. Should something orally unexpected happen, call a cut and wait to start filming until it's past.
Number 3, choose quiet clothes. Avoid jingly-jangly jewellery, rustly fabrics, and smothering lapel mics under layers of clothes. Number 4, use your equipment properly. Use the best equipment you can. Camera mics are okay in close-up, but remember any sounds close to camera and any camera noise will end up in your final audio. If you're shooting from further back, you're better off with a lapel or a boom mic. Remember, any audio that you're not feeding directly into your camera, you will need to sync in post. And finally, when you are editing, number 5, choose the best track. If you've recorded with more than one mic, make sure your editor chooses the best sound for each shot. For more tips on how to achieve less bad sound, check out our blog post, audio post, how to prep when you prod. You'll find it on our website here. Good luck with your Rialto Channel 48 Hours film. Also sponsored by